Your PCBA projects facing repeated failures. Delivery dates constantly being pushed back. Delivery delays are common concern for nearly every customer in PCBA industry. I'm Michael, and today I will walk you through the main causes in delivery delays and how POE helps our customers stay on schedule. The first common cause, supply chain fluctuations. For instance, last year, the lead time for a specific MCU jumped from 8 weeks to 26 weeks, completely halting the PCBA project. Material shortages, shipping delays, and international transport issues can all directly slow down the production. At POE, we assess supply risks for key materials 6 months in advance. Use our ERP system to automatically monitor inventory and collaborate with 5 to 10 different suppliers. If the system detects that a material safety stock falls below a set threshold, we immediately trigger a purchase plan and even secure global stocking in advance. This means that even during global shortages, we can replenish materials within 72 hours, ensuring uninterrupted production. The second reason, file or data errors. If the BOM Gerber or coordinated files contain issues such as mismatched footprints, coordinate shifts, or region inconsistency, it can lead to rework or even restarting material preparation. At POE, we perform 3 rounds of file reviews before production, including manual checks and DFL software checks, ensuring that files fully align with manufacturing processes. We also utilize a BOM matching system to automatically compare customer files with actual inventory, preventing incorrect material orders. By identifying issues in advance, we can reduce the delivery delays caused by file errors by over 90%. The third cause, production schedule conflicts. During peaks and multiple projects may launch simultaneously. If the schedule isn't optimized, it can lead to man downtime and idle equipment. POE automatically optimizes the production line sequence based on materials availability, process priority, and delivery deadlines. This reduces lines changeover time by 30% and ensures that critical orders are optimized for execution. Sometimes delays stem from quality rework, such as soldering defects or reverse component polarity. Each instance of rework can push back delivery dates. POE employs AOI and X-ray inspection across all lines to ensure a 100% pass rate before leaving the order. This not only reduces rework, but also increases the first pass yield to 99.8%. The last common cause is changes in customer requirements, such as adding features or replacing materials, which can impact the original production schedule. POE's project management team delivers a change assessment report within 24 hours, detailing the impact on delivery and providing 2 to 3 feasible solutions for customer consideration. This way, even with changes, we have minimized delays. Supply chain issues, documentation, schedule, quality, and requirement planning. POE has a comprehensive approach to tech memos. If you are looking for a reliable PCBA partner, contact us at POE. POE, your trusted PCBA manufacturing partner.